Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel here. We got this loud, annoying piece of crap. We're heading to Ford to go see Jason. Go look at an S650, drive it. What's up? What up, fool? Not much. I found it took me 10 minutes to find my head strap. I gotta go take this.
Trying to find your strap on?
Oh no, I'm falling. Help. I'm taking my Chipotle inside real quick.
You need to hurry up.
We're heading over to Richmond Ford to go see my buddy Jason, who sold us the yellow splash car, and what should be here any day now. Can you relax?
You relax.
Look,
You be working, ass.
it's wet. It's wet out here.
I don't care.
Derek's in my car. He's got a couple S650s in the lot, so I've driven one already, but I didn't film it, so I think I'm actually gonna film it this time for my quote-unquote first drive. I liked the car. I think it felt pretty good. It was a base GT non-performance package, so very different from the one that we will have in a few days, but we'll see how it goes. I'm going to drive that white car again.
Yo.
Turn your head, fucker.
Oh, what up?
All right, let's go beach. Oh, you're
Got him.
yeah.
Put this on record. Red Baron, the 2024 base GT. Will be gapping Brandon. Will be gapping Jake's Dark Horse. It's gonna be a sad day all around. So
Shout out to him. He said he's gapping the yellow car.
I'm gapping you in the yellow car. That's his car.
But you're gonna drive it.
He said he's gapping the yellow car.
I know what he's saying.
He said he's gapping the yellow car.
Brandon said he's gapping it. He said he's gonna race it as hard as he can.
No.
Yeah.
He said him in the red car is gonna beat that car. Get out of my face. Bye.
Facts are facts. What can I say?
We have this brand.
All right, so I brought Derek out here to look at some of the 24s that they got here.
talking.
Keep talking. We're here at my dealership, showing him some of the cars they got out here. They got these two. The white one's the one that I drove last time I was here, but it's a MT82 manual, but I didn't film last time I was here, so got the GoPro head strap to try and film this time. The gray one is a 10-speed. The white one is a manual. There's a couple other ones down there. There was an EcoBoost at the front of the building. And the yellow should be here soon. Oh my god! Oh.
Love the headlights
But-
on the base, to be honest. I know the midnight package thing.
So this is the white one. Base GT with the base wheels. Well, these aren't even really base wheels.
So that's kind of something I wish I would have been able to.
This one drove really nice. No active exhaust on either of them. They're identical specs, just one's auto, one's manual. And then we have the gray, another base model with the black wheels. Then we got this white premium over here that Derek's looking at with the OG PP wheels on it. Got the Azura Gray Raptor R.
Color is not common. Everybody wants black. Everybody wants black.
With the bead locks. Ow, I just cut myself on a bush.
Nobody ever wants that.
So we got the white premium. I like the new badged font. This one's got the red interior. It's an auto. With the active exhaust on this one. We got the Azura Gray. Looks like blue. 6.7 high outpost.
Damn.
Then you got the Rhino.
5 horsepower, 1,000.
The City of Richmond Police Rhino bulletproof armored truck. Put the gun up there and start going around like it's GTA Online. It's the Insurgent. So quiet without active exhaust. Active exhaust is definitely an absolute must on these. I mean, when you're driving and you lay into the gas a little bit, it definitely loudens up, but, and I'm sure, I guess I'm not gonna say active exhaust is a must, because you can already get aftermarket exhaust that fits these for the dual tips, so it'll be insane. So I guess it's not a must, but if you want the quads to keep the quad look and have loud exhaust, get the active. All right, Derek's gonna drive.
Okay.
I'm gonna head myself into the back. Yeah, I'm gonna see what these rear seats are. The rear seats are all leather too.
Boys, we're gonna take a drive though.
Actually, it's comfortable back here.
This is gonna be a hard car to not
This is
want to road trip a lot.
pretty comfortable back here. I like this. Yo, I actually like the leather back here in the middle through the center. I will say that the shoulder, my broadened shoulders are not doing too well with this.
You and your massive shoulders.
But
Dude, I am so fucking impressed with this bass, dude.
So they come, you get your track.
1, 2, 3. Well, boys, I can confirm base model sound system. Not just saying this again. I want this car to prove me wrong. I've talked shit on it time and time again, and that's the thing. That's why I retracted a lot of my statements in that last video on the S650. I want the car to prove itself, and the sound system for a bass, like, it sounds insane. It's very good for what you're getting money-wise, you know, and I'm impressed. I really am. This is gonna be a really, really fun car to drive. I can tell you that right now. And this isn't even a performance pack one, active exhaust. So I'm eager to get mine. Eager to get it. Eager to put miles into it.
all right, so we're about to hop in the white Oxford White base model GT. Go for a little drive. Say, I've driven this car before, but I didn't get to film it, so this will be my first actual drive. Derek's in the back seat filming me through the window. Look at him right here. So let's go ahead, hop in. I love the new door handle. Can I help you, sir?
Bro, why are you holding it? Okay, first off, your shit is way too aimed high.
Can I help you? He keeps getting on the phone. Let's look at the plaques down here. You know, you got 100-mile-an-hour tire wear. They make a Euro set of these new lights. It's gonna be insane. With the seats, we jump into the seats. You got the nice leather side with the cloth inserts. You got a little pony right here. Door, you got the harder plastic. D3. All right, let's go ahead and hop in. I hope you can actually see. Can I see something? Hey, look.
Yes, I'm looking for you.
I want you to put it down a little bit. Hang on, let me just get into my setting.
Can you see over the steering wheel? Fuck no. Raise that shit back up.
I can see fine. I can see right here.
Holy shit.
All right, let's go ahead. Yo, answer your phone, bro.
Is that mine?
Yeah. You're the one connected to CarPlay. What are you asking? No caller ID. You're getting scammed.
Yeah, man, try scam.
All right, let's go ahead and drop that down. Let's see if the unstallable clutch works.
Wait, you said Brandon installed it the first time, right?
Shut up. Get off.
You stalled the new Mustang, bro?
I stalled it twice.
Bro, how?
I let out of it like I was driving my car, and it didn't work. The clutch is a lot.
I think that's a driver issue. Big time.
It's a skill issue.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's a skill issue. God damn it.
Throw that in the bloopers after the
Yeah.
fucking outro.
See all this shit talk. Yep, and everyone just wants to pull out in front of me. Thank you.
That's literally pulling
Dude,
in
what
front of
the
you.
fuck are you doing?
What are you? Who? Them or me?
Kid?
Hey,
Bro, that's a little ass kid.
Yo, he stole his mom's car.
Did you see him? Brandon, he was shorter than you.
Well, I love the way that the steering wheel feels. You got the nice carbon.
Unlock this bitch right now. Launch it.
I'm not gonna. No. Shut up. Get the back. I love the new CarPlay on here. You got this little half cell. That's full screen actually. And if you push this, yeah, do it for me, Jason. It pulls up your little split screen so you can look at other things. Then you go back and boom. Yeah, we don't care about that. We just look at that. Then down here, you got your start button. On a premium, you'd get the big wireless charging pad here. But you get your USB-C, your normal USB, your 12-volt plug. Got your hazard lights, traction control. I think we should just turn it off and start sliding. Speaking of that, you have your mode button here, so you can scroll through and see all of the different things. Downshift, you got auto rev match. You didn't put it, nobody put it on that. So that's your normal cluster. Then you come down into sport. The steering wheel is vibrating at me because I changed lanes without using my turn signal.
You're that guy. I was gonna say you're that guy.
BMW driver.
Yeah.
That's you.
I was gonna say I'll admit to it.
Brandon, you remember that one time you hit that curb? The roundabout?
At Mustang
Don't
Week?
stop the clip.
At Mustang Week?
Yeah. Why'd you stop the clip?
Yeah, where's my launch control button at? Or where's my launch control thing at?
You're there. It's there. You just gotta actually fucking.
There it is.
Dude,
Here you
those
go.
fucking transitions are actually sick.
Here's
right?
launch. Here's
They're
launch.
pretty sick.
Here's launch control.
Dude, it has some good rumble to it. This guy's like, holy fuck.
It just builds up.
Dude, he's looking at you. Like, look at this little kid. Bro, he's staring at you. Look at him.
Is he actually?
Rip out of here.
Yeah, rip out of here. Just slide around the corner. I said once we get ours in, it's probably what, a couple days, week.
Before another curb gets hit.
Oh, there's no shot you're filming this.
Yeah.
Once we get our car, I'll actually go on more of an in-depth review of all the shit. This is kind of just a little drive and talk.
You're being nervous, dude. You're like scared.
Sorry, I got 3 people in the car. 2 people
bro,
in the car.
open up, bro.
I know. Stop being a weirdo.
I'm about to go get some breadsticks from Little Caesars. I said I haven't gotten good at my behind the wheel driving and talking yet. Got to learn my POVs.
Oh, there goes the transmission.
The clutch feels really good. The auto rev match is nice.
Dude, the clutch is heavier than the Mox for some reason.
Is it really?
Hell yeah, it feels good. I love that feeling of that clutch.
The only thing about auto rev match that I don't like is it going into first doing
gear,
it. Yeah.
I wish they would tune that out or program that out. It's annoying.
Bro, you've tried to get in this lane 3 times now. You want to use the turn signal?
He's asking for permission.
Then you got speakers up here now on the base models.
Yeah. It's a 60-some-year-old grandma that did it. She was like, I didn't want a V8.
All right, we're back at the dealership. Thanks to Jason for letting me drive. I like the steering. I think the steering feels really good, but I'm also used to a pile of shit that wants to brake every 2 seconds.
That camera quality is crazy. Yeah, Jason, text me like your work email and shit.
Yeah.
I'll post it on the screen.
There we go. Please check rear seats. There's somebody occupying the rear seat. Wow. Yeah, get out, child. How did you like it?
It's not bad. In the back seat.
Oh. Damn, we got it. We got it a little dirty.
Okay, close that up real quick.
Yeah, the window sticker for this one's over there. 46.
All right, guys. Let's
We-
go ahead and conclude our little.
We done got it a bit dirty.
It's okay. Pretty impressed with it overall. Just the comfortability and just the interior. The looks. I'm very fond of that. So when mine comes in on the exact spec that I wanted, I'm very curious to see how.
Loving the new headlight design.
But for a base model though, this one can't complain really. It's a really nice car in the interior and stuff. So so ready to get mine. And if you guys are, drop a like up on this video.
And now we're back in this thing.
Back in the Eco Turn.
Oh my god, my clutch feels so heavy.
Yeah, that's how it is jumping from the Mach to Lucifer. It feels fucking weird.
I said the clutch in the S650 is so just spun.
I'm ready to get it, man. I'm so ready to get it.
I'm so hyped. Ours is on the train, currently en route.
Don't know where mine's at.
So hopefully in the next week or so, we'll have it and the video content can start. Because we're all gonna be grinding. Ooh. drop this dude off at home.
Yeah, I'm gonna do mine too.
And then go home. Appreciate y'all watching, checking out. My portion of the driving isn't gonna be as crazy.
Oh, I thought you were going left,
No.
bro. You just threw me for a loop.
No.
I was like, we're dying. This thing is so loud, dude. Why is your screen off?
Dude, I can barely push the clutch in right now. Holy shit. All right, y'all, we're back at the house now. Just got back from dropping off Derek and from the Ford dealership. So there we go. Jason let us drive the S650 base model, non-performance package. It's a good car, dude. I honestly like it. The shifts are smooth. Clutch feels good. Off camera, we did launch control. Launch control was super good. It bogs down a little bit right off the start. We did it in track mode with traction control on, or like in traction sport mode, and it bogged a little bit, but it goes. And then shifter feels super good. I got back in that and I was messed up with the MGW. Was super tight and the clutch was super hard. I love the clutch and the trans and everything in the S650. MT82 feels so good. You can just throw it in and it goes in. I don't think we'll have any issues with it, but we'll see. But I loved it. Appreciate Jason for letting us drive it. If you're ever looking for a new Ford, new or used Ford, or any car at all, go to Richmond Ford Lincoln, see Jason. He'll hook you up. That's my boy. Been my boy for years. But appreciate y'all coming out and watching. Hope y'all enjoyed. Drop a like, comment, subscribe. Comment any questions about the car or anything else y'all have, and I'll answer everybody. See y'all later. Have a good one. Peace out.